Hi YouTube. We're going to play Fleet Fox's A Long Way Past the Past. More than I ever knew. Okay, and that is the main, the first chord progression. That repeats. All right, let's talk about what's going on here. They're playing a D minor, and the recording has two guitars on it at least, but this is the most prominent chords. Playing the D minor, but they're just playing this part of it with like what you would play with your pinky and your middle finger and your ring finger. And then they're going to a C chord, but again they're just playing a partial chord. On both of these we're playing strings 4, 3, 2. And after they do that, I think it repeats at least 6 times. Then the next part of the chord progression is A minor to G, G to F, and then it ends by going F to C, and that repeats. F to C, more than I ever knew. Okay, so none of these are being played all the strings. I think mostly it's strings 4, 3, 2 for these chords based on the 5th string root, and then they're playing more like 5, 4, 3 for these 6th string root chords. And then it comes back to the C shape on strings 4, 3, 2 at fret 5. All right, so that repeats, that whole chord progression repeats, I think, at least 3 times maybe. I just showed you the main one that begins the song. It goes up until about 1 minute in the song. And it ends when it goes, what's done is done. Still, it seems a long way down. Then after that, it moves into this next section that I'm going to show you right now. All right, and before I move on to the next section, I just want to point out that this could, I played it all on bar chords, but partial bar chords, but this could all be played in open position. So D minor to C. And then it goes A minor, G, F to C. So I'm not suggesting that you have to play it the first way. All right, section 2 starts out with that D minor. We played a partial D minor, but you could play the whole D minor bar chord. Oh man, wasn't it better? pain. So that's section 2. It repeats twice. Starts at about 1 minute and 3 seconds into the song. And it starts on this D minor that we played. Goes to C. Then it goes to B flat, A minor, B flat, F, C, D minor, C, playing the B flat up here. So we can get that descending bass. Play the B flat down here on the 5th string root. F, C. Alright, let me see if I can play it in the open position. So D minor, C, B flat, A minor, B flat, F, C. So sounds very nice in the open position. So you can play it either way. And the second time around, he's talking about a river growing wider with the rain. And then I think it goes back to the first section. The third part of the song, what happens? We take the first section and the second section, and we put them together, and we play them back to back. That's section 3. That plays, so that's both sections together. And that either plays 1 or 2 times, I can't remember anymore. But there is a 4th section. Let's wrap this thing up. Section 4. Section 4, comes out of this, right, at the end of section 2, or end of section 3. And then it starts just going on F to C. And it just keeps going. So that goes on for a while, and then it starts going. This is the melody. The chords there, when you're playing these notes, the chords are right there, G, then it goes E minor to G, and that's when the melody's going. So the chords are right there. And it goes back. So. Now I would recommend you play you're not going to be like, you know, the chords are very sparse here. Play them on the top 3 strings. Or, you know, you could just play the the basses, and the root in the 5th. And then when it goes to the E minor, you could just, you know, play very sparse there. You could even play the melody. You could play it in unison with the vocals. So there's a lot of ways. I wouldn't try to fill up the space. I would just like play and let it ring. Let it ring. Okay? And then the final part of the song is just the repetition of, I believe it's a repetition of, it's a repetition about, I think, the second part, the second section. But I got to wrap this up, so if people have further questions, put them in the comments. All right, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.